Welcome back to my channel. So, um, I teach for you how to use the Paint app. Click on the Start button and search it Paint app and open. First of all, I am going to my file and the image take and open it. This portion I want only this portion. So select hmm, and crop it. And zoom it. Sorry. Hmm. Crop it. It's converting into real size and I changed the size around 80 and okay. Hmm. This image rotate wherever. So I click 10 horizontal or 10 vertical. So this to make see attractive. I want more space. So this come image. Okay. Next option is rotate whatever 90. Its image original size. Whatever. Return click scheme return. Flip vertical or flip horizontal. Vertical and horizontal. Return come this area. Next option pencil. I am changing the background. I want white color. Next option pencil. Huh? Whatever you use, take a pencil option. Next option text. Uh, so click here and change the color whatever you want. You can change it and once you the box is out, you cannot be changed it the text. Suppose I am changing and I make it this portion and this or right, left, whatever, middle, italic, underline, what do you want. Only one time you want. Another time you do not change it because the box is not in the text. Eraser. It's come on the background initial background color. Take this and going to out. Next option, click here and here. Sorry, fill tab. And I click here. Mm, initial background color, come and click here and click here, here. This portion is come. And next option is the brush. On the brush, this brush, and change the size. I want more size. This come more. Whatever you want this size and change the color. Huh? Take it. It does not take because it is the initial color. It take this. Otherwise, suppose make one and mistake. You take change the color in the portion, but it is not take it. You must take it this and uh, change it. Hmm, this come. Can change background color. Sorry, background color, not this color. You can view, zoom in or zoom out, full screen, and make ruler come. It's ruler and you make thumbnail and undo. Tell you what, video, like and subscribe and it